Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your money from PayPal to Skrill. To transfer your money from PayPal to Skrill, we need to use bestchange.com. Here we can find some exchangers who are exchanging your PayPal money to Skrill money, guys. So first of all, let's open bestchange.com, and on the left side, we need to choose PayPal. So most likely you have USD and you need to transfer it to Skrill. So we need to choose PayPal USD on the left side, and on the right side you need to find Skrill USD. If you can't find it, you can use the search, Control F, and search for it. So once you will enter these options on the left menu, you will see the exchangers who are exchanging money from PayPal to Skrill. You need to look at the number of reviews. So it should have a lot of reviews, and they should be in green, guys. If the number of reviews are in green, that means all of them are positive reviews, guys. You can see, guys, there are two options. The second option has got the high commission, and the first option has got the lower commission, guys. But you can see that the first exchanger has got low number of reviews, and also minimum amount is $2,000. So in this case, I will choose the second option, which is Exchange X. It has got 403 reviews and all of them are positive. It has got almost $17,000 in reserve. So we will choose the second one. Okay, guys, when you click it, it will redirect you to this page, and you need to fill all of the information right here. So in the first gap, you need to enter your email address. So this is for contact. You need to choose PayPal USD to Skrill USD. And in the third gap, you need to enter the money you want to transfer from PayPal to Skrill. For example, you are sending $200 from PayPal to Skrill. As you can see, the commission is 22%, and you will receive $156 on your Skrill account. So in this case, there are high commissions. Here you need to enter your PayPal email address. Here you need to enter your Skrill account email address. And guys, here are some optional add-ons. You can read them and you can tick them, guys. But as you can see, they have got some extra fees. So if you don't want to activate them, just leave like this, guys. So for example, guys, the first option is I need a screenshot of the payment. So they will send you the screenshot and it costs 3 USD. Here you can write a note. Here you can just upload any files you want, and you need to submit, guys. Then it will redirect you to another page, and it will gives you a email from PayPal, and you need to send your money to this PayPal account, guys. After you will send your money to this PayPal account, they will send you the money to your Skrill account, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.